Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make pizza at your home. So these are the ingredients that have to be used. I'll be making this pizza in a pan so that it will be very easy for every one of you to make it at home. It's a very easy and quick recipe. So let's begin with the pizza sauce. Here I have taken a saucepan and some oil. Let the oil heat properly. Once the oil is well heated, add some chopped garlic to it. Remember, do not overcook the garlic as it will taste very bad. This pizza sauce is going to be a little bit sweeter. Now the garlic has turned slightly brownish. Add some chili flakes to it. And some mixed herbs. The fried flavor of the herbs and chili flakes tastes very good. Once they are fried, add tomato ketchup. Let it simmer for some time. Add some chili sauce or Szechuan sauce if you need. Add some black pepper. Salt to taste. And some red chili powder if you want it to be spicy. Give it a good mix. Wait for some time and take it down in a bowl. Now take the pizza bread, apply some butter or mayonnaise. Spread it evenly on the surface. Now apply some freshly made pizza sauce. Spread this evenly. Next, grate some cheese over it. I'm using mozzarella cheese, but if you want, you can use normal cheese as well. Next, go with the topping some sliced onions. Boiled corn, and sliced green pepper. Again, grate some cheese. Then top it with some chili flakes and mixed herbs. Grease the pan with some oil or butter. Now place the pizza in it. Now cover the pan with a lid and let it cook for a few minutes. The pizza is now ready to eat, guys. Stay happy, eat healthy, and stay safe. See ya.